Hi, my name is Amy, and I am the physicist for aerial freestyle skiing. The laws of motion help people in Olympic sport aerial freestyle skiing. The first law of motion is the law of inertia. This first law helps when you're going up and down the slopes. The second law of motion is the law of acceleration. This helps the people slow down and not go too fast. The third law is the law of action and reaction. This helps when you press on the skis, so you can you'll either stop or keep going. The equations to help find speed or time in motion are speed equals distance divided by time, time equals distance divided by speed, and distance equals speed times time. Gravity is when all things with mass are brought towards each other. Gravity helps keep the people on the hills so it helps to make sure they don't get killed. Drag is when wind comes at you and goes around you and slows you down. I hope you learned a lot about aerial freestyle skiing.